Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw front view and top view of a right hexagonal pyramid whose axis is inclined at 30 degree to HP and parallel to vertical plane. One side of the base is inclined at 45 to VP. Its apex is nearer to the horizontal plane. Given side is 30 and length of axis 75, and then we need to do this sum in third angle. See, first we will draw XY line. Now over here they have mentioned axis inclined at third angle sum, axis inclined at 30 degree to HP, right? So if axis inclined to HP, first we will draw perpendicular to HP. So top view will give you true shape. So I'll start with top view. So in that we need to draw 45 degree to VP. One side of the base is inclined at 45 to VP. So I will draw 45 degree. On that I'll mark 30. And then I'll draw hexagon. Like this. I'll take the distance, cut an arc on both the sides. So first we are done with top view, which is inclined at 45 degree. One side is inclined at 45 to VP. So other side is also inclined at 45. There are actually two sides. Now I'm marking 75, which is axis. Then I'll mark all the points down because they have said apex is nearer to HP. So it will be nearer to XY. I'll name them A, B, C, D, E, F. This is OM, axis OM. So this is A dash, B dash, F dash, M dash, O dash, C dash, E dash, D dash. First thing I will be drawing is boundary line. Boundary line will be dark. So O dash to A dash and O dash to D dash will be dark. After that, this base will be dark. Now we need to decide which edges will be dark over here. So now see, observer is in between. So whichever he can see, so he can see B and C. So B and C will be dark. O dash B dash, O dash C dash. And O dash E dash will be dotted because it is behind, away from XY. And O dash F dash is also dotted. Remember, observer is on XY line. So that's why this is the visibility. Now axis inclined at 30 degree to HP. So I'll draw 60 degree. Always remember, whenever they say axis inclined, so we'll draw the base inclination. Over here we'll take 60 degree. We'll take this distance D dash to A dash and we'll cut from here. Then again we'll take D dash to O dash and from here we'll cut on this side, and from A dash to O dash, that will cut from here. So we'll get a triangle. What we are trying to do, we are trying to draw this ditto same. Only difference is it is inclined at 60 degree. This is O dash, A dash, D dash. Then you take all this distance and cut. This is B dash, F dash, C dash, E dash and M dash. So after drawing ditto same, what we need to do, we need to project one by one. So what I will do, I will project from A dash, and I will project from A. So I'll get point A. Same way I will project from B dash, and from here I'll project from B. I'll get point B. Same way you project from F dash, and from here F. Wherever they meet, that is point F. Same way you project from C dash, and from here you project from C. So you get C. Then E dash and E from here. And D dash from here and D from here. This is how you'll get the base of the hexagonal pyramid. Then we'll mark O and O dash from top view. So you'll get point O. Now what we need to do, first we need to draw boundary line. See, as I was saying, observer is on XY line, so he will see from here and he will project up. So O to F, O to C would be dark, AF, AB and BC will be dark. So this much is dark, that is for sure. Then O to A is dark, O to B is dark. See this. Then E, this point D is dotted. So line going from D will be dotted. So D to E, D to C and O to D will be dotted. Now over here you need to check E to O will be also visible, in the sense you can draw dotted line, it won't be coinciding like this, and E to F also will be dotted. So this will be the correct answer, but you please cross check when you draw, and you'll get point M over here. So O to M is the axis. So what we have done right now is the correct top view, front view. This is what we need to show in the exam. This is 30 degree. So I hope everyone understood this projection of solid sum. This is very useful in engineering as well as ICSE technical drawing. Thank you.